New deals just dropped. Yes, guys, new DeWalt deals and other tool manufacturers just dropped. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. So lots of good stuff coming up. I guess some new deals are rolling. If you guys seen the glitches, all right. New deals with the Makitas. So you got $279 and the other one's covered up. So there must be a nice price on that one. That one does include a 4 amp hour, and the other one includes a 3 amp hour. So it must be cheaper. You get a free tool. So if any of these two kits will get you a free tool. I don't know exactly the price on that one. If you see that at your Home Depot, make sure you guys put it down in the comment section. It does include the ratchet, the what is that, oscillating tool, the angle grinder. That's not the X-Lock though, but it does include that job site speaker, the inflator. That's a nice inflator. I tested that before. I used that before, I mean. Circular saw, and that is the kit, the 249. Guys, it's 249. So the other kit's 249 and the other one's 279. So I don't know if they're gonna drop the price or what are they gonna do. Anyway, same thing with the DeWalt. Just these brand new deals just dropped, guys. Just dropped. These are brand new deals. We never seen these before, and we're gonna check them out. All right, so the first one to the left, you got the drill driver, 2 batteries, and oscillating tool, $169. That's a really good deal on that one. That oscillating tool is $99 by itself, so you're basically paying $70 for the kit. You get buy any of these, get one, or buy any of that, get one 4 amp hour, or buy 2 of those and get 2 6 amp hour batteries. Obviously, you guys know that's the best way to do it. Those 6s are really nice tools, powerful batteries to have. You can choose from any of the battery tools on the top. You guys seen the glitches. So that nail gun, if you guys hack it, that's going to be a really good deal. So $369. You got the router. You got the barrel grip jigsaw. That's a rare one to see. Impact driver, drill driver. You got the SDS Plus. You got the one hand or reciprocating saw, circular saw, hammer drill. Might be the flex bolts. Yeah, it is the flex bolts. You can choose the ratchet, guys. Yes, the ratchet's a big one, and the impact wrench. That is a 4 amp hour battery, valued at $169. You got, what is that? The reciprocating saw. It is the XR, valued at $199. Circular saw, valued at $199, was $229 according to what it says there. Then you got this 50-piece bit set for $16. You got the flexible hammer drill. You got the rotary or the SDS. You got the router and impact wrench, valued at $219. Those are the 2 6s that you're going to get for free when you buy 2 of those tools or 2 of those kits. Those are the kits there at the bottom, $329. Does include the new 850. So make sure you guys check that out. That's a nice combo kit there at the bottom there. I guess it includes 2 4 amp hour batteries. $14.97 down from $21. Is this glasses? I do recommend these glasses. I've used them for so many years, and they're my go-to glasses. They're the cheapest, and they work really good, and they are fog free. You got buy that vacuum, get any of those accessories for free. So that right now is the time, guys. Jump on it. You could probably hack it if you don't want any of these accessories. You guys gotta hack it and get that vacuum for a nice discount. If you guys don't know what a hack is, make sure you guys leave it down below in the description or the comment section of this video. Also, if you guys have any of these tools, if you guys like, or have you guys gotten any of these tools cheap or cheaper, make sure you guys let us know down in the comment section. $229 and you get yourself a free battery. So you buy this, get that free. Yeah, you buy that 18-inch nailer, you get that battery for free. That's a nice deal. That is the nailer there. That's the vacuum. This one, buy more, save more. So you buy up to $350, you get 50 off. You buy $450, you get $100 off. You buy $550, you get $175 off. That's actually a pretty good deal. If you guys do that max out with the $550, you guys are gonna get some nice discounts. Yes, guys. If you guys got that double glitch or double discount, let us know down in the comment section how many tools did you get. A lot of you sold out all the depots of all the good tools. Yeah, there's crazy glitches, guys, that go on. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell icon so you get all these notifications, because sometimes with those glitches drop, they might drop in the middle of the day, they might drop in the middle of the night, 4 in the morning. We never know when they're gonna drop, and that's when I post. And whoever's online, whoever gets them, gets them. Usually it's in the morning, at night, when these glitches drop, but I post and you guys get them. So that's usually what happens. All right, so $249 for the circular saw. You got the router and the jigsaw there. Those are all fuel. So, and you get that. There's a whole bunch of tools to choose from. There's the compressor, the SDS, nailers. You got a bandsaw. You got a whole hog there. Rear handle circular saw. Yes, a lot of you got those circular saws, rear handles for $100. Some people were getting tools for $24. Could you guys believe that? I never ever seen something like that before. But yeah, I didn't get any tools for $24, but there's a lot of guys that got $24 tools. I mean, fuel tools for $24. Impact wrenches and all that, drills. All right, so you got the same thing with the Ryobi. You got $299, you save $100. You buy $249, you save $70. You buy $129, you save $30. So obviously at $299 is going to get you the best deal. It's going to be $100 off of the $300, so you're just going to pay for $200. That's actually a pretty good deal. You got the, what is that? Battery and charger. You got the HP oscillating tool. So all these tools are HP, and they are all compatible, or with this promotion. So you got the jigsaw, you got the 7 1/4 circ saw. That is the what is that? Reciprocating saw. The impact wrench, guys. The 4-mode impact wrench is. You guys missed out on the last glitch for that impact wrench. There it is. You got, what is that? The 6-port fast charger for $79. Two 2-amp-hour batteries. You got a 4-amp-hour. You got a hammer drill kit. You got a compact impact driver and drill driver. You got some drill bits. You got the nailer, guys. Brand nailer. That's a nice one to have. Yeah, it's expensive, but if you guys could get to that, buy more, save more, save some money on that. All right, same thing with this, guys. They got the buy one get one free with the M12. These are killer deals. It says $249 for the brand new Gen 4 impact driver. You got a hammer drill and impact driver, either 12 volt or 18 volt. 18 volt is going to get you a high output 8 amp hour battery. That is a nice deal. And the other one's going to get you a 5 amp hour battery, the brand new HO 5 amp hour battery. So yes, guys, these are really good deals, and especially if, like I said, if you guys return that battery, I would just keep the battery. I don't know. I got to do the math. I got to see if that battery is worth it to hack it or something, because I want that battery. I mean, I already have one, but it's nice to have, because if you have OPE equipment, or lights, rocket lights like I do, or whatever you have, those batteries are really nice to have. This is a killer deal on this one too. This is a dual port charger if you're on the line. If you're not, then it's still a good deal. For $49, that's $25 a piece. That's a no-brainer, guys. No-brainer on that one. All right, so you got this is the DeWalt's. They still got good deals on these. I mean, they're not the cheapest, but they are not too bad. Medium, or not top of the line, but it's not as cheap as or expensive as the Milwaukee. Those are the new 40-volt line that they got going on from Makita. That thing's. And then this one's, I believe, online. You can hack this. You buy this kit, you get yourself a free battery. They don't have anything here at the store, but I believe they still have that online. You might want to double check online if you're interested in that line. This is the brand new mower that they got. I never seen it before. They must be brand new, right? So this is the Whisper series. It's $899. Yes, for a Ryobi. I would definitely go with Eagle, but this is just the Cadillac basically of the line here. So $899. It's basically like the other one. It's just a new redesigned, and it is a lot quieter, according to what it says there. But it's the same as the other one. I think it's just the same. Buy one of these kits, get a free 5 amp hour battery. We just saw that right now. So I'm just gonna do the math, see which one is the cheapest. I know there's gotta be a good one here that, you know, so you can get that high output battery for the cheapest. All right, we got the clearance section here. This one's down to $450 from $490. That's $50 down. This does include a whole bunch of flexible tools, touch system 2.0, and you got some shears there on the top, which I did not see the price. You got an impact wrench there, 127, down from 169. That's it right there. It is high-low torque. You got some fans if you guys are doing some remodels, $50 down from what? Can't see. You got the Oregon chain down about $2. You got a router there for 169. Let's see what else they got. They got a nailer. Oh, this one's actually a pretty good deal. This one was $329. It's down to $219. That's a pretty good deal on this one. 16 gauge cordless angled. You got the 60 volt maximum. Lithium. Must be like a kit. $225. You got a drill kit here for $128. Was $159. I believe this one was the buy one get one free for the holidays. I don't know if they're still doing that promo, but they're doing that for that, then that must be a good deal. Then they got this what is it, drywall screw gun with the magazine thing. $81. That's not bad. That's actually a pretty good deal. 4 amp hour battery down to 154 from Rigid. So make sure you guys look at these cages when you guys are here, because there's sometimes you get some good deals on that. Make sure you guys have a great Super Bowl weekend. Let me know who you're going for down in the comment section. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube grows the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.